Can you believe it? We're already done with April and beginning of May. Where is this time going? Well, I'm going to show you my April whiskey haul. It's probably one of my smallest, but also one of my most expensive. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the only one in here that's a non-whiskey. I got this Fortaleza. Yep, it's a reposado. A buddy of mine helped me get it. I was looking for the añejo, and when he said the reposado, I was like, oh yeah, that's what I would be looking for. I was actually looking for the añejo, but having an extra reposado, not bad, not bad. So just recently, I just got this Jack Daniel's single malt. Now, they have a special release that's a single malt double barreled. That's not what this is. I believe this one used to be only the travel exclusive. But look, it's a 1 liter, nice and big and fat, so I'm pretty excited to have this. I'm pretty excited to have this to try this out, so I can't wait to do that. Did pick up a few of these. For some reason in our area, there was a ton of them, and they're trying to get rid of them. So they actually didn't have limits on them, so I picked up a few of each of these. But I'm just showing you these two right here. I was lucky enough to grab one of these Old Forester. I love the Sopranos, and this is called the Tony Pour, so I was pretty excited to get it. It's 131.7 proof. Old Forester Old just makes a good pour. I like their single barrel, so pretty happy to get that. Next is this Copper and Cask. I just got this one. Picked it up at Specs the other day. It's a copper and cask, but it is their cigar finish. I like most cigar blends, so I'm pretty excited to try this. I would like to try to taste it and then put it up on blind, maybe against some other cigar blends. I just enjoy a cigar blend. I don't smoke that many cigars, but I really do enjoy a cigar blend. It said cigar blend like 10 times there. I should have a checklist of ding, 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 how many times I said that. Keeping with the cigar blends, I actually got this one. My buddy Whiskey Shaman helped me grab this. It's a cigar malt. It's American single malt whiskey, and it's by Andalusia, which is a Texas whiskey distillery. I think this was a distillery only, so he helped me grab it, got it out to me, hand delivered this. So thank you, buddy. Whiskey Shaman helped me get this. I can't wait to pop this one open and try it as well. Next, I actually picked up this. It's a Garrison Brothers, but is it any Garrison Brothers? No, this is actually a distilled and barreled in 2010. So it's an old one on the shelf. Actually, I was with Danny from New Braunfels Bourbon. He likes to go hunting around the areas. I went and hung out with him for a little while. We had a dinner, but we went to whiskey hunting. He pointed this out, and sure, I grabbed one. I figured, why not? I like Garrison Brothers. This is one I might not ever open, but I'm pretty happy to have it. So one of those that you accidentally win an auction. Yep, accidentally win an auction, this one. So sometimes how that happens is you do a little bet on it, and you know, just to see kind of where it ends up at the end. I kind of like to sometimes bet early on, see where they're at, so later on I kind of have an idea what they're going for. So if I'm looking for it, I know what's a good price for it. However, I had just been just high enough on this one that I won it. It's the Barrel Whiskey 33 years. It's French oak and Oloroso sherry cask. I've heard some good things about it, so I wasn't wanting to win it. I won it. I don't mind. I guess it's good. I'm going to be trying it, so there you go. Now this is my buddy Shane. So Storytime Distillery, this is their first ever Storytime release. So they have other releases, but this is the first one under their label Storytime. It's 15 years, but it's actually, by the time they got it barreled, it was already 16 years, but the label is already done, so they couldn't change that. It's a Buffalo Turkey. Great pour. You can see how much of this I've already drank and shared. I do have another bottle of this. It's 129 proof. If you can find one of these, grab it. Amazing pour. I love it. So time for some different whiskeys I picked up. This is where it gets a little bit pricey. So I got this one, Rare Hair. Yep, Rare Hair. I've not had any of those before, but it's called the Tempest Tasmanian Single Malt Whiskey, finished in port cask, aged 20 years. For some reason, that just sounded really good to me, and so I ordered it. We'll see how that tastes. I'll probably do a review on this one just because it's unusual and different, and I like to try different things and be able to share that with you. So this is probably one I'll be doing on a review pretty quickly here. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's worth the price, and can't wait to try it and share it with you guys. Now another one I bought, bam, the Calumet. Beautiful presentation. If you look at that presentation. Beautiful 18-year whiskey. I've already done this one. I've already done a review on it. That review will be out pretty quickly. If it's not yet, if it is out, I'll leave a link to it here. If not, it'll be out very soon. See that review to see what I thought of this one, and to also have a chance to win a sample of it. All right, coming down to my last few bottles. So this one I picked up this last week. I won it on the Total Wine Lottery. I was hoping for something a little bit different. I was actually hoping for a birthday or something like that. I didn't win that, but I did win this. And it's good because I've had two 13 Colony and I've not been impressed with them. But this one gets a lot of good reviews, and my buddy Sean loves this bottle. He thinks it's a very good bottle. So now I'm excited to try it. So I can't wait to try this one. I'm hoping that this one is the 13 Colony that wins me over. The other one I'm wanting to try is the Double Oaked. Just haven't been able to grab one of those yet, but can't wait to pop this one open. And the last two that I grabbed, bam. Yep. These last two is a Jack 10-year and a Jack 14. So this is the Jack 10-year Batch 4, which is the new one. And this is the Jack Daniel's 14 Batch 1, which just came out this year. This is what I was hoping to win. I was super excited that I did. They called me, so this was a specs win. They said, hey, you got selected for 2 bottles. In my head, I was thinking, please let it be a Jack 14. Please let it be a Jack 14. And sure enough, it was. Very, very excited about these. That's it. That's all I got this month. Not very much, but very expensive month. But hopefully a very enjoyable next month to be able to review some of these and try some of these with you. So let me know, what do you guys think about what I grabbed for the month? Is there anything that you want me to try and share with you guys? I've already mentioned I'm definitely going to do a 14. I've already done this one, probably going to do this one. What else would you like me to try on here? My month started off kind of slow, but ended pretty fastly, so pretty excited. Hey my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.